Hi there, you guys. Welcome back. This is week 1 of quarter 2. The date is Monday, November the 9th. Today in class, we began working on our IXL for the week, which is E.2. You do need to reach an 80 SMART score on this IXL, and it is over point of view. After working on our IXL for a little bit, we reviewed 2 questions from our Socrative quiz that many of you have missed. That is something that you do not need to worry about making up. All right. Students then began working on their Unit 1 vocabulary. We only recorded definitions for the first 11 words, and it is also attached to this assignment right down here. We completed our quarter 1 reflection. This is on Google Classroom already, so check your stream for this short survey. We then took some notes on Native American culture. Those are also both attached. Okay, so they are down here. All right. And then we listened to our new story, The Medicine Bag. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to get to this today. So let me kind of go back here and get to where we were. Maybe if I start out at Google, it'll make it a little easier. Okay, clearly it will not. So I'm going to go through on Google Classroom, and I'm going to go down to our online textbook, and we are going to go through this together. So you will be clicking on your online textbook, and I'm just using period 1-2 as an example. So all of your guys' stuff should look the same. Go ahead and click on the student edition and open that up for me. It'll say take me there. Go ahead and hit that as well. And yours might look a little different than mine just because I have a teacher view and you have a student view. But we are going to click on through until we get to our textbook. So let me kind of go in here. Actually, I'm going to go through the student edition too, just so that you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay. Alrighty. We are underneath the whole class learning section. Then you will click on the medicine bag. And here is the story. Okay, so you can go ahead and follow along right on here. It is about 19 minutes long. We listened to the audio in class, so you can listen to the audio as well. And my friends, that is all that we got to today in class. So I will be posting more for tomorrow's assignment, but go ahead, and if you have not yet completed these, I'm going to make a quick to-do list here for you. To-do list / homework. Okay, so on your to-do list you have your IXL E.2. You have got your Unit 1 vocabulary. On parentheses, I'm just going to put 1 through 11. Okay, and then your quarter 1 reflection. That should be completed. Native American culture notes. Those should only take you maybe 5 minutes tops. And then listen to the medicine bag. Okay. And those are the few things you need to be completing for today. I hope to see you all back in class tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow, I will miss you guys, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay. Thank you.